Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A94. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app. Tap Get Started. And as you can see, from the homepage of Google Pay, you can add payment method and different types of cards. If you go to the menu, you've got access to all of your payment methods, full list of participating banks, tutorial about how to pay, and your activity. In settings, you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and you can edit your account info. In contactless setup, you can turn on NFC, set payment method, check if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and in the end access to our Google account. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.